Hey everyone, welcome back to How to Literally. Today we're taking a closer look at Loop AI, and the big question is, can this platform actually help you earn daily income? Loop AI claims to automate tasks and generate consistent earnings through AI-powered tools. It's designed for creators, freelancers, and small businesses looking to scale fast. From automated workflows to smart analytics, it looks sleek. But does it really deliver results or just hype? Some users report decent returns, especially when paired with high-demand services, but results vary. It's not a get-rich-quick tool. It's more like a smart sidekick. So is Loop AI worth it? If you're willing to explore its tools and match it with a solid strategy, then maybe. But as always, do your research first. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more reviews and digital tools that might just change your game.